Good Sunday afternoon from beautiful Ravensdale. I'm at this open house from 12 to 2 today with real estate broker Tara Robinson with Williams Ave Real Estate. Tara, what can you tell us about this beautiful property?
All right, so this house has 4 bedrooms, 1.5 bath. It's 1,570 square feet, super bonus. It's got a just over 2 acres and includes a 2-car garage, detached, outbuildings, and room to park your RV.
Wow.
Also, new roof with a transferrable warranty, and hey, guess what?
What?
No HOAs.
Oh, that's amazing. Well, come and see us today from 12 to 2. View the property with Tara and talk to me about some financing options. So, with the price reduction of $21,000 on this property, it is priced to move and we can do some cool stuff with that money. Now let's take a peek at the house.